How to reduce motion and parallax effect of icons in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on accessibility. After clicking on accessibility, then click on motion. On top you can see the option reduce motion. Now turn this button on. After turning this button on, your reduce motion and parallax effect of icon will be applied. Now go back. Now here you can see it will be applied. So this is the way to reduce motion and parallax effect of icons in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.